This is Algebra 2, Lesson 68. It's on page 285. The first part of this lesson is scientific calculator. All right, so to get your calculator in scientific mode, do y'all know how to do this? It's mode what? Or shift mode. Is it shift mode?
It's just mode.
I did shift mode. Shift mode 7. There we go. Shift mode 7. To get it in scientific.
Mine just says exactly that. It says scientific.
Yeah, 7
It's approximately 9.
is scientific. Okay, then it says 0 to 9. I think you can do 1.
It says a question.
Float?
Correct. Hit the number 1. I think you can just do 1.
Just,
And then it went blank.
yeah.
Okay, so put 1,000. Just put 1,000 in your calculator and hit equal. And what do you get?
1,000.
See, it puts it in scientific form for you. Do you see that? Have y'all not known this for chemistry?
No, I could use that for chemistry.
What is it doing?
No, we did
I don't know. What is it doing?
It puts it into scientific notation. Yeah, that would have been nice.
Okay.
Are we going to keep it like that?
No, so then you'll need to know how to go back. So shift mode and 8 is normal, but we're going to stay in 7. Okay? So you'll go back and forth. How will you know you need to go back and forth? Because your answers will be in scientific notation and your brain will say, that's not right. I don't want this answer in scientific notation.
It doesn't change it from the complex thing that we already had.
No, it should not change it from complex. All right, so we're going to keep it in scientific. And we'll see how this, when we answer that question 1, we'll see how we work 68.1. All right, so do you guys see the parentheses on your calculator? Okay, we're going to use those parentheses. So clear everything out. Open parentheses. Look at example 1 on page 286. All right, so for this calculator, which is unlike the calculator we have next year, the negative is the subtraction sign. The negative is the subtraction sign. Next year, the negative, we have a separate button for negative. All right, so open parentheses and put negative 40 points.
There's negative.
Right, yeah, but use the minus sign. Use the minus sign.
Mine, if I use a minus sign.
Oh, you have a TI.
So I just use the negative.
Use the negative for the TI. For Casio people, use the minus, okay? Now look, when you do the times 10, do you see this button at the bottom middle?
Yes.
That's what we're going to use, times 10. Okay, but wait. You're simply going to type in the exponent next. That's all you're going to do. So type in negative 8.
Using the subtraction or negative?
The subtraction. Close parentheses. All right, now open parentheses and put in the next value. 3.24, you're going to use the times 10 to the X button, and it's to the 11th power.
So we have to estimate it.
We're not estimating. We are not going to estimate.
Well, then, wait,
But then you have to
taking-
go back up.
Okay. Huh?
There's 2 problems it says. I think you're taking from the one that says estimate first. That's already.
It says.
No, I'm just looking at 68.1, simplify. Do you see that?
It says simplify, and then it's a different one than the one you're putting in.
You're putting in the one.
I'm
after
putting in the negative 40.652 times 10 to the negative 8 times, then I went to the bottom. I actually mixed them. Yes, I did.
And isn't it 40, comma 652?
Oh yeah, it's comma, not a point. I'm at a bad angle. All right, so put that in. What do you get when you put that in?
Negative 1 times 10.
Okay, we don't have enough decimal places.
How How many decimal places?
So let's go back and do second mode. Choose 7. Second mode, choose 7.
Wait. How do you maybe a second?
All right.
Shift mode.
I know, the other calculator is second, yes.
How many decimal places are you supposed to have? Because I got the same answer with Brooke.
What did you answer when you got to scientific 0 to 9? I'm gonna answer 3 now. Okay, then I get three places. I get 3 digits. You see that? You see the difference?
Wait, which one did you switch
No.
to?
And when I said psi 0, 9, I put 3. And then I hit enter, then I automatically see 3 places. Do you automatically see 3 places? All right, so you know for science, it matters more how many places you see, right? Because of scientific significant figures, right? But for here, you want to see 3. All right, so I have negative 1.32 times 10 to the 5th.
How did you get there? I'm
To the
so
fifth?
confused on how you got.
All right,
I got 10 to the.
I got 10 to the 8.
I probably,
That's the 8th, too.
okay, now enter 3.
You're having 2.
Just enter 3.
Well, she didn't put her comma.
Wait,
That's why.
okay, you're gotta be getting something clear.
No, she didn't. She put a
put a
decimal
decimal.
point instead of the comma. That's what I'm.
Right, that's right, I did. Shift mode, wait, I just turned it on. Clear,
Forget it.
okay, I'm gonna clear your calculator. 3, yes, yes, okay. Shift mode, 7, 3.
What you?
Okay, now put it in. All right,
So you said you wanted 3 decimal points to the right of the decimal,
And then it's
or decimal?
3.
3 total digits, 3 total digits. Okay.
Oh yeah, you're right.
All right, look at 68.2. Let's do this one together. Make sure everybody's calculator is at the same place, all right? Now we're dividing those. It's the same values. Okay, you know there's 2 ways you can divide on this calculator. Did you know?
Fraction.
You can do a fraction,
And then
which is right here, this button right here. Or if you're going to divide, you have to tell your calculator order of operations. So I could then put the numerator inside parentheses and then hit the divide button, then put the denominator inside parentheses. All right, so it is up to you. So do it in your calculator.
And we still have 3.
Do it in your calculator.
And we still have 3 decimals.
Yes, yes, yes.
2 decimals.
Wait, for
Oh.
3 digits.
3 digits, 2 decimals, yeah.
We need to put it back in a different.
Right, because now we're dividing. In 68.2, we're dividing. There's 2 ways you do it, right? You either do numerator inside parentheses, hit divide, denominator.
Do you need to change the note bit?
No.
Because when I hit my fraction symbol, it does different.
Let me see. Okay, don't hit shift.
I got it too.
I don't think it's right.
Okay, that is strange. All right.
Wait, actually, you're right.
No.
Did you get 1.2? Which is why we have to go back
Okay.
clear.
It's gonna do it in my calculator.
Yeah, we got 3.
I mean, like,
Reset. Okay. Something else was changed in your calculator. All right. Does everyone have, can everyone do the fraction?
What's the answer?
1.25 times 10.
Yeah, 1.25 times 10 to the negative 15. Okay.